Hello students, welcome again in ARIS tutorial, and today we are going to start a separate topic. I think which most of the student ask me that sir make a video on prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So here in this video we will discuss mainly about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. I have already told you in previous video about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, but here you can write this topic in your notes, major difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay, suppose a question is asking from you that what is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So you have to write this, the major difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So I have already told you about prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and today once again we will revise that prokaryote and eukaryotic cell. So first of all you should know that what is prokaryote. Okay, so I have already told you that pro means primitive. Primitive means before. Karyote terms related with karyon, which means nucleus, means ki the cell which have not true nucleus known as prokaryotic cell, whereas eukaryotic, eu means after and karyon means nucleus. Eukaryotic cell means ki a cell having a true nucleus. So here are certain points which I have written on the board which tells us difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So the first point is in prokaryotic, they are very small in size, or you can say microscopic size, having the length of 1 to 10 micrometer in diameter. This is micrometer. Okay, whereas eukaryotic cell generally large, having size 5 to 10, or you can say 100 micrometer. Okay, 100 micrometer. So next point is do not have true nucleus, means in prokaryotes true nucleus is absent and only a nuclear region which is known as nucleoid. यहाँ diagram बना हुआ है. You can see in diagram that in prokaryote a true nucleus is absent and here a region is present. This region is known as nucleoid, where single circular DNA is present. This region is known as, not this region. This is the region which is known as nucleoid. Okay. In eukaryotic, true nucleus is present. Here you can see that in eukaryote a true nucleus is present, in which nucleus, inside the nucleus chromatin network is present, which is also known as chromosomes. Okay, so in prokaryotes nuclear membrane and nucleolus is absent. Nuclear membrane, if nucleus is not present, then it is not possible that nuclear membrane will present. So nuclear membrane is present, and in nucleus I have already told you that a region is known as nucleolus. Okay, in nucleus a region is nucleolus. Here I have drawn the structure. You can see that this one is nucleolus. Okay, so in prokaryote nuclear membrane and nucleolus both are absent, whereas in eukaryote nuclear membrane and nucleolus is present. Okay, next point, cell division. Membrane bound organelles are absent. I have already told you that in prokaryote membrane bound organelles are absent. Only one organelle is present, which is known as ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes. Which has no organelle. Okay, so ribosomes is present, and in eukaryote all the membrane bound organelles are present. Okay, now the next point is cell division is by budding and fission. So budding and fission are the two processes of asexual reproduction by which cell divides, whereas eukaryotic cell divide by mitosis or meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis are the two processes by which cell divides, like animal cell or plant cell. Mitosis is known as equational division, whereas meiosis is known as reductional division. Okay, so these are the two types of cell division. Equational division or reductional division means in mitosis the number of chromosome will divide equally in parent cell to offspring cell, या daughter cell you can say. Whereas in meiosis reductional division occurs, it means the number of chromosome will reduce in parent to daughter cell. Okay, this topic you will study in class 11th in detail, cell cycle. Okay, now the next topic, next point is example. So the example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria and cyanobacteria, whereas in eukaryotic cell protozoans, fungi, plants, animals, etc. So here the diagram which I have drawn, you can compare these two diagrams, that what is the major differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So here you can say a region is present which is known as capsule, whereas in eukaryotic cell there is no region such as capsule like present, cell wall present, plasma membrane present, there are food granules and single circular DNA is present, cytoplasm is also present, flagellum for movement and nucleoid region. This is all about prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell, here I have drawn a structure of animal cell in which you can see plasma membrane, okay, or you can say cell membrane. After that mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, these are the membrane bound organelles which are present. Here the region is cytoplasm, nucleus is also present. In nucleus, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromatin network is present. So in this video I think you have cleared about the prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell, and along with well labeled diagram, so you can draw this differences along with diagram in your notes, and this is all about your chapter first, cell. So here we have completed chapter first. After this next video I will provide you or give you some questions which you have to solve it properly. So thank you to all of you for watching us on ARS Tutorial.